In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to maintain rules writers. Rules coordinators have the ability to maintain rules writers for various divisions in their chapters. The first step is from the dashboard, selecting an action. We will select Maintain Rules Writers. Next, we will need to enter our rules writer's username. Then we can click Add. It will bring up our rules writer's information. We can see the assigned divisions, and then we can add additional divisions using this drop-down menu, selecting the division and clicking Add Division. We will need to enter a date we want this to be active. You can't backdate this, but you can select today, and you can also remove a rule writer from a division by putting an inactive date in. Then we will click Save. Rule writer has been saved. We click OK, and we're brought back to this screen. Here we can see that my rules writer account has 2 assigned divisions and 1 that I used to be assigned. To make further changes to other rules writers accounts, we will simply click Maintain Rules Writers. And we're back where we started. We will enter a new username, click Add. It will take us to their information screen and assign divisions, and we can assign additional divisions or remove divisions from them. And then you can click Return to Dashboard when you're all done.